Hello, students. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all for your amazing performance in previous session. Welcome to class 1. Myself, Sonal Agrawal. Firstly, I request you to take all the precautions during this hard time like sanitizing your hands, staying at home, eating healthy food, not to drink cold beverages and all. As you all know that due to coronavirus, schools are closed. So here we came up with the online classes. And you have to take these sessions very seriously. With the help of these classes, you can study at your ease and can go through the sessions as many times as you wish. Also, I request to the parents to kindly cooperate with us and help your ward to follow the instructions given in these sessions and learning these sessions. Today, I am going to teach you computers. Now, let me introduce you with your book. Your book is Digital Flight by Oren Swan Publications. Here, you can see the contents of the book, which contains 8 chapters. Let's start with chapter 1, which is Computer, a Smart Machine. In this chapter, we will learn about simple machines that we see in our daily life. We will also learn how machines work and how they run. And we will learn about a smart machine, that is, yes, computer. Okay, students, now tell me how many of you have seen the computer? Yes, I believe every one of you have seen the computer and even worked on it. Is it so? Yes. Okay. Now name some machines we use in our daily life. Yeah, think about it. Yes, television, refrigerator, washing machine, mobile phone, cycle and many more. Now what work you can do on computer? Anyone can tell me? Okay, I will tell you. We can type letters, we can do drawing, we can listen music, etc. on computer. Now students, note down some keywords of this chapter. The first keyword that you can see here is machine. Can spell it with me. Machine. I will repeat it. Machine. Now what is the meaning of machine? Machine means something made or created by people to make the work easy. That means machines make your work easy. Now the second word is humans. I will spell it Humans. Yeah, Humans. Humans means people that we see all around us, like you yourself, your father, your mother, your sister, anyone you see, all are humans. Now, the third one is electricity. Electricity. I will spell it Electricity. Electricity. The meaning of electricity is like it is a form of energy used to give power to any machine. Like it is a force that powers a bulb or a fan. Means electricity you can think like suppose when you switch on a light, then it glows. So it gets on with the help of electricity. Now the fourth word is fuel. 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 Fuel means something that is burned to give energy, like coal, petrol, wood, diesel, etc. Now the fifth word is easy. Easy means something you can do at your ease without any kind of difficulty or without getting tired. Now what you have to do, you have to learn these keywords along with their spellings. So children, that's enough for today's session. In the next session, I will come up with the explanation of the chapter. Till then, stay home and stay healthy.